Nobody told us this in school. Your brain, number one's job, isn't growth. It isn't confidence. It isn't creativity. Your brain's number one job is survival. And that explains so much. Why a single raised eyebrow can crush your pitch. Why I am just the way I am feels true on the hard days. Why scrolling wins over sleep. Why you choose harmony over honesty in the rooms that matters most. Because survival is efficient. Your brain would rather keep you safe than let you grow. But here's the miracle. The same brain that once kept you small can be trained for expansion. The science word, neuroplasticity. The human word, you can rewire. When you train your brain, alarms become signals for courage. Old maps update into vision for the future. Training habits turn into fuel for joy. Your brain is not your enemy. It is your engine. And survival doesn't have to be your default. You get to teach it something bigger. Clarity, courage, freedom.